Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over transcription and translation. For transcription, you're going to convert the DNA into mRNA, while for translation you're going to convert the genetic information in mRNA into proteins. Transcription is the first step of protein synthesis, and it takes place in the nucleus. Now, the reason we want to make mRNA is because we need something expendable to send outside the nucleus. And this is done to protect the RNA, which only has one copy of the original genetics. So here we can see the RNA copying the code of DNA as A goes with T, U goes to A, G goes to C, and so on. And then once this mRNA is translated, it will leave the nucleus through a nuclear pore into the cytoplasm until it finds the ribosome. After transcription, we have translation, which takes place in the ribosome. And again, this is where the genetic information in mRNA is going to be used to make proteins. In translation, it occurs in 3 steps known as initiation, elongation, and termination. During initiation, the mRNA will interact with the tRNA inside the ribosome. And in the ribosome, the mRNA is separated into sets of 3 nucleotides, which represents a codon. And then these codons match up with 3 other nucleotides of the tRNA, and these represent anticodons. And then each of the codons in the RNA also match up with a specific amino acid, which is how they create different proteins. During elongation, another tRNA molecule will move into the A site, which pushes the start codon from initiation into the P site. And when this happens, the amino acids will form a bond, and as this continues, the tRNA will eventually move out the E site and lose an amino acid. And over time, the amino acids will eventually form a polypeptide chain, which will create a protein. The final step of translation is termination. Now, this starts when the ribosome reads a stop codon, which is either UAA, UAG, or UGA. At this point, the protein has already been translated, and once the stop codon is read in the A site, it causes a release factor to attach to the A site, which releases all the proteins into the cytoplasm. And that basically sums it up for translation.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.